and hits that off the middle, and Shaheen Afridi strikes with a wicket of way on. The classic Shaheen Afridi delivery, angling the ball in, a swing, well, some assistance from Will Young's bat. He'll feel like he's a little bit unlucky. Cleaned him up! What a delivery, what a yorker! And Shaheen Afridi had his first. Well, he's an exciting player, isn't he? He's ramped it up, the last delivery of the over. He didn't go back of a length. He went full. He said, I'm going to try and knock the timber over. That's exactly what he's done to Chad Bowes through that gap. Little bit of movement and a point to his skipper saying, I owe that wicket to you, or I told you I could do it. Chad Bowes has to go for 7. It's 20 for 1. Oh, it doesn't connect. It's into the hands. Fakhar Zaman with an easy catch. Shaheen now has 2. Picks up the second Shaheen Afridi. 2 for 23 so far. 33 deliveries. He into the last 5 overs, but it was just one of those cutters. We've seen lots of wickets this series through those fast slow balls and the cutters. There actually was in the slot to go, but he just didn't quite execute. The shot was on. He had to take it on. Daryl Mitchell. A nice knock off 33. New Zealand 121 for 3. And goes Yorker punched back, and he's caught. He's just stuck out that right hand and nonchalantly plucked that away. It definitely stunned Chad Bowes, the player who was in and playing so nicely. Out of the air. Wow, he can't believe it, Chad Bowes. Shaheen Afridi, well, Chad Bowes goes for his first T20 50 on a 8 for 4. Slightly up air shot, is it out? Oh, make that 9. Wicket in the first over, and the New Zealand captain walks back. This man is at the top of the innings. Shaheen Afridi dismissing the captain. First delivery, Shut Up Khan. He knew how big that catch was. Shaheen Afridi, well, he loves it. He's an amazing player, world-class player. And the captain, gone for naught. New Zealand 0 for 1.
Oh, yes.
Oh, yes, there's a sound there. It's given. 2 in the over. New Zealand, 2 down for 4. And we spoke about how dangerous he is in the first over, and he's showing this crowd just exactly why. Look at that. Just going across Will Young, the perfect line, perfect length, and just a little tickle, and that's all you need. It's Will Young, heads to the change room. But he's got to go. New Zealand 4 for 2.